Welcome to the Bluebeam Reuv tutorial by Brighter Graphics. Do you know we can highlight objects in Revu using the Snapshot tool? Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open a PDF. Now scroll and zoom to the empty PDF region. Go to the Edit menu and select Snapshot tool, or you can use its shortcut, G. Click and drag to make a rectangular selection. Now, choose the Select tool from the navigation bar below. Right-click and hit Paste, or press the Ctrl+V keys to paste the snapshot. Once done, select the snapshot like any other markup and go to the Properties panel. Under the Appearance section, select the desired fill color that you want to use to highlight the PDF content. Next, set the blend mode to screen. Now, click and drag your snapshot over PDF content, and it will be highlighted with the color you set as fill color for this snapshot. Like any other markup, you can use its anchor points to resize the snapshot and adjust it to highlight your desired content. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam, digitizing construction since 2003.